You are going to love the 2024 Terrain. This vehicle is powered by a 4-cylinder, 1.5-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: remote start, hill descent control, daytime running lamps, fog lamps, luggage rack. Inside you'll find steering wheel controls, heads-up display, adaptive cruise control, keyless start, cruise control, power outlet. The GMC Terrain combines the benefits of a crossover with the style and functionality of an SUV. Terrain offers uncompromised capability, a balanced stance, and a commanding view of the road, letting occupants enjoy a confident driving experience. And an EPA estimated 32 highway MPG is not bad either.